Okay. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to
Good
Axis.
morning, sir.
Welcome to Axis Group of Services. We are discussing about a computerized accounting system that is called as virtual accountant. Virtual accountant. So this is session number 2. We discussed in the previous session how the growing importance of virtual accountants are coming into the market and why the companies acquiring and how many companies are established, small scale industries, and what are the requirements of a virtual accountant. These things we discussed in our last session.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. So today we will try to discuss a very important topic. Before starting the subject, we must understand the difference between the manual accounting system and versus computerized accounting systems. Accounting is accounting. Accounting is accounting. But what is the difference between the manual accounting and computerized accounting? The principles are same. The rules are same. Accounting standards are same. The applicability is same. Then what are the differences, sir, between the manual accounting and the computerized accounting system? Is there any difference in accounting? Aisha, you feel any difference in the manual accounting and computerized accounting? You feel any differences? Aisha, you feel any differences? You feel any differences in manual accounting and computerized accounting system? क्या चेंज रहता है सिस्टम का मैनुअल में और कंप्यूटर्स में आया सिस्टम को चेंज होता?
The accounting process, accounting is same, but nowadays we are using the computers instead of writing manually.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Madiha, the accounting system will differ if the computers will come into the picture. Debit will become a credit.
Computerized accounting will release. The computerized accounting is easy, sir, compared to manual accounting.
Computerized accounting system is easy compared to the manual accounting system. So what is the difference? What making you easy?
time saving, sir.
Okay, what is the time saving?
We can avoid errors.
We can avoid errors.
Sir, human being is not correct, but computer always shows perfect results.
Accounts we can maintain with the help of the computers. We can maintain the accounts for a period of time.
Okay, Google. Let's start the differences between. Please always mute yourself. Okay, if you have the disturbance at your place, so please always make a mute. So the first difference we need to understand, main difference we need to understand between the computerized system and the manual system. Here we will maintain all the financial transactions in registers. Here we will maintain all financial transactions in registers. In registers or in accounting books. Here all transactions are recorded in accounting सॉफ्टवेयर. मैनुअल में क्या कर रहे हैं अपन, बुक्स में लिख रहे, देयर इज अ जर्नल, देयर इज अ लेडजर बुक, राइट, देयर इज अ रजिस्टर, जनरल रजिस्टर. So here the first difference is about maintaining, recording the transactions. Step 1, regarding the transactions. Here in the manual accounting system, we are recording the transactions in the registers, or we are recording the transactions by using the books. But in the computerized accounting system, we are recording the transactions in accounting software. Clear? First difference clear, Madhya?
Yes, sir.
So what is the difference?
It is recorded in books. It is recorded in software.
Okay, very good. So next difference is, we can say, as Madhya already mentioned, manual accounting system. Okay, MACA means computerized accounting system, and MAI is called as a manual accounting system. As Aisha also mentioned about a speed, about the speed, a manual accounting system is slow. Manual accounting system is slow. On other hand, computerized accounting system is comparatively faster. Okay, what we are saying? Comparatively faster. Comparatively faster. And manual accounting system, calculation errors may occur in the manual accounting. There is a chance of occurring calculation errors. And here, not in computerized, there is no chance of occurring computerized calculation errors. Clear? There is no chance of occurring the calculation errors. So what is the first definition, Madhya? What is the first difference between the manual accounting and computerized accounting system?
Difference: manual accounting is recorded in books, and computerized accounting is recorded in accounting software.
Okay.
And manual accounting is slow.
Mhm.
Computerized accounting is speed.
Okay.
We will have errors in manual accounting.
Okay.
Lot of errors in manual accounting.
Mhm.
We will face little errors, not more. Computerized accounting.
Don't say this error. Error
Okay.
of calculations. I'm specifically mentioned the calculations. Computer will not do mistakes in the calculations. 2 plus 2 means computer will automatically will give 4. Other conceptual, that's different. Computer will not do the mistakes. Okay,
Virus.
that is different.
Okay.
Because of virus, the software will not run, but the calculation mistakes will not give generally. Okay, so if we say, if we compare the errors, okay, this is manual and this is computerized accounting system. Okay, if we take the parameters, okay, always compare parameters of comparison. So first one is the definition. First one is the definition. What is the definition is saying here? The definition of manual accounting is it uses books. It uses books and physical registers. Physical register. Physical register to record financial data. To record financial data. Aisha, can you help Farha in the group? She is unable to join the class. Aisha. Aisha. Aisha Salma, are you there? Can
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there is a student called Farha in the group. She is unable to join the class. Can you help her? Can you call her or something?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. So here, manual accounting and there is a computerized accounting system. So here, in the manual accounting, the definition we are using, it uses the books and the physical register to record the financial data. So here, it uses a computer with the financial software to collect the data electronically. Here, physically, here, electronically. This is an electronic form of data collections. Okay, it uses a computer. Okay, in computerized accounting system, we are using a computer. Okay, it uses a computer with the software. So having computer will not, make you a virtual accountant. You must have a accounting software with you. It uses a computer with a software to collect financial data, to use a financial data electronically. Okay, electronically. Okay, clear? Can you write down? Okay. Next is documenting. First definition is definition. Okay. First definition is the definition. So what is the second difference? Second difference about the documenting. So here the manual accounting, here is the computerized accounting. Okay. So what is the manual accounting documentation? Documenting is maintainable. Documentation is maintainable via books. Via books, book of original entry. Via book of original entry. Here, a computerized database. Here, computerized database is used to record data content. Here, documentations, the documenting procedure for the manual accounting is via books, via with the original entry. Here, in the computerized accounting system, the documentation is based upon the database, is the record of data. So here, based upon the softwares, the database will record the transactions. For example, you have a SQL based ERP softwares, Java based, .NET based. Based upon the different software applications, there is a method of data collection capturing is different in the computerized accounting systems. Okay. Next is about the calculations. What is the third difference we discussed? What is the third difference now? The calculations. What is the calculations? Here we'll do the calculations. We'll perform. Here we'll perform the calculation by hand. Here we'll perform the calculations by hand. First we'll record the entry, then posting, उसके बाद में अपन total करते रहते हैं in the manual computerized system. So whereas the computerized carry the computer system carry out the calculations after one feeds it with the data. So here give me 1 minute. One of the student is unable to join. Let me connect. Okay. Now, third one is the calculations. So in the calculations, the computer system carry out the calculation after once feed it with the data. Once it's feed with the data, computer will perform the calculations. Are you able to see the screen, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here, Definition,
Sir,
second
can
one
I
is, yeah, first
definition and documentation board?
yes, definition, documentation, calculation, and accuracy. Third one is the accuracy. Yes, there is a chance of doing the mistakes in the manual accounting system, but the software confirms the transactions, make it likely to record a unlikely to record a mistakes. So here the very good advantage is here accuracy. Accuracy means prone to mistakes. There is a chance of mistakes. But here in the software, the software will confirm transaction makes it unlikely to record a mistake. It will confirm whether there is a debit equals to credit or not. If it is not matching, you given 2000 here, 2500 here, computer will give you alert by saying debit is not matching with the credit. This is the advantage. So unlikely, there is a chance of, no chance of doing the mistakes. Why? Before saving, before recording, it's confirming with you whether it is correct or wrong. But in the manual system, no. If you write 2000 here, if you write 2500 here, it will get recorded. But in what is the advantage of a computerized accounting system? It will confirm with you before saving the transaction. Yes or no? Yes. Now, the fourth very important point is financial statements. Financial statements. Accountants develop it at the end of every financial year or quarter. In the manual computerized accounting system, on daily basis, preparing the financial statement is not possible. Not only daily basis, by transaction. In the manual accounting system, accountant will prepare or develop the financial statements at the end of every physical year. I'm saying physical year, I'm not saying calendar year. Every physical year or a quarter. Every physical year or a quarter. But in computerized accounting system, it is always ready. It is always ready. Clear? Here, by using in a manual accounting system, you can prepare the financial statements either at the end of the year or at the end of the quarter. But here in computerized accounting system, financial statements are ready at all times. If you pass the entry, it will get updated into your financial statements. This is the advantage of computerized accounting system, and this is the difference. So in comparison with the manual to computerized accounting system, all the financial reports are ready. All the financial reports are ready. And financial statements. Next difference is called as a trial balance. Trial balance. It is prepared in the manual accounting system. In the financial accounting system, trial balance is prepared when required. So it provides trial balance every day. In a manual accounting system, you need to prepare a trial balance when you require. But here in the computerized accounting system, trial balance is prepared every day. Next thing is speed. Next thing is speed. In manual accounting system and the financial accounting system, it is slow. It is slow. Relatively, it is relatively fast. It is relatively fast. And the backup. Is there any backup facility in the manual system? Can you take a backup of your notes? No. Okay, it is hard to make a backup. If you want to make a backup, you need to make a copy, Xerox, and you can maintain a second copy. Or you can scan that notes and you can save as a soft copy. But it is difficult. It's not possible to take a backup. Okay, so there is additional cost will incur, or it is additional. It's hard to back up a data. It's hard to back up a data. Here, yes, you can save entries. You can save entries of transaction and back them up easily. You can save the entries and you can reopen the backup. Reopen the backup and you can use easily. This is the advantage. This is the difference between the computerized accounting system and manual accounting system. So what is the first difference? Aisha, can you explain me all the differences one by one very slowly?
Sir, once I have missed that second one, sir, documentation point, sir.
Okay. Documentation. Here in the manual accounting system, documentation will be possible via books. Okay. Via books of original entry. But in computerized system, documentation is possible. Okay. With the computerized database is used to record the data content. Here we'll use the database. There we'll use the books of accounts. Though that is only the reference. Okay. Now you can go one by one.
So here the first difference between the manual and the computerized accounting system is definition. In the manual system, we use books or a physical register to maintain the records. And whereas in the computerized accounting system, we use the accounting software to record the transactions. And second one is documentation. Documentation is possible by using books of original entries. And here in the computerized accounting system, we use the computer database. And the calculations are done by hand, whereas it is done by the computer only. And next difference is accuracy. Here in the accuracy, there is a chance of making errors or recording the mistakes. We are easily prone to the mistakes, whereas in the computerized, little chance of having the mistakes or no chance of doing the mistakes. And here it confirms that confirms the accuracy, means confirm the transaction. If we are doing any mistakes in the suppose the debit is not equal to the credit, then it will automatically show us the error. And the next point is financial statements. In the manual system, it is not possible to maintain or make the financial statements every day or every week, but it is being prepared at the end of the year, end of the physical year, not the not quarterly. And in the computerized accounting system, financial statements are always prepared and they are ready. Next is trial balance. Trial balance is prepared as and when required in the manual system, and whereas in the computerized, it is being prepared every day. Trial balance. Next is speed. When we are doing the calculations manually, the speed is very slow, but when we are using the computer, it is very fast.
Mhm.
And the last one is backup. If we lost any data, if we want to have any backup, it's very hard to get the backup of the data in the manual system, and whereas in the computerized system, we can save the data for a longer period of time, and we can get the entries whenever we require it.
Okay, very good. So now orally we understood the small differences between the manual accounting and the computerized accounting system. Now, if we want to define what is the manual accounting, the question. So, what is the topic here now? What we are discussing? What is a manual? What is a manual accounting? Okay, what is the manual accounting? So here we can say like this: before the introduction, before the introduction before the introduction of the computerized financial systems, the accountant execute all the accounting processes by hand. The execution of process by hand. So first we'll learn this, and some of the students are known the process by using a proper accounting system. Like first they need to prepare a journal. Next they used to prepare the ledger. Next they used to prepare the trial balance, the financial statements, and the financial. Okay, and still this method is there in the small